Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to choose your payment method on Rakuten account. So first we're going to go to the Rakuten app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the option that says choose payment method. Then you have three options, either to get a big fat check or through PayPal or through a membership rewards point. So I personally chose my PayPal account. You're going to click on select, then log in. So first you're going to enter your email, then your password. Then once you're done, you're going to click on agree and connect, since they're going to connect your PayPal to your Rakuten account. Then next, they're going to send you a verification code via your email. Then you're going to insert that code and click on verify account. So as you can see, our PayPal has been connected. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.